This is a battlefield of speed, power, and resolve. Here, every sortie shapes history, every mission forges legends. From the icy peaks of the Himalayas to the vast oceans below, a vigilant force commands the air, swift, silent, and relentless. It shields a billion dreams, carrying with it the strength of a nation. For those who dare challenge its domain, the answer is certain. This is the Indian Air Force. Infallible, impervious, precise, अचूक, अभेद्य व सटीक. The past year, our engines rode across continents. At Exercise Desert Night 24.1 over the Arabian Sea, Sukhoi 30s, Jaguars and AWACS forged new bonds with France and the UAE. At Red Flag Alaska, Indian Rafales and a 252-strong contingent undertook the longest ferry in our history, proving global reach in both combat and logistics. On the return leg, we trained with Greece and Egypt, diplomacy written in contrails. From Pitch Black in Australia to Udara Shakti in Malaysia, our Su-30s and IL-76s showed that distance is no barrier to dominance. In the Indian Ocean, our Su-30s and AWACS trained with the USS Abraham Lincoln Carrier Strike Group, displaying seamless integration with the best in the world. And at Bright Star in Egypt, the tricolor rose above Africa's largest multilateral exercise, our presence commanding respect, our precision undeniable. These were not just exercises, they were declarations that the IAF is not a participant, but a leader. In Aero India 2025, the 15th edition of Asia's largest air show, brought together 80 nations, over 800 aerospace and defense companies, and hundreds of thousands of visitors. In 2025, Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla made history as the first Indian mission pilot aboard the International Space Station. His successful flight marked IAF's pioneering role in exploring new frontiers of space. This year, the IAF bid farewell to the iconic warbird, the MiG-21. For 6 decades, this legend stood as India's shield in the sky. The Indian Air Force salutes its 62 years of valor, service, and an unbroken watch. Foremost in battle, the IAF is also at the forefront of technology, ever evolving. It is continuously building training, preparing for tomorrow. The C-295 transport joined operational squadrons, bringing agility and reach. The Vadodara assembly line began shaping the future of aerospace in India. Every induction is more than a machine in service. It is sovereignty taking flight, and indigenous strength took center stage. Our effectiveness is measured not just in firepower. It is reflected in our compassion. The IAF was the first responder in every crisis, flying relief to cyclone-hit Odisha and Bengal, rescuing villagers in Arunachal, pilgrims in Uttarkashi, and tourists in Sikkim, while sustaining flood-hit Punjab and Jammu. From cliff rescues in Mani Mahesh to relief flights in Myanmar, Afghanistan, and evacuations under fire in Israel and Iran. A telegraph and crew carried food, medicine, and hope, delivering courage and compassion across India and beyond. From Mandalay to Kabul, from Pathankot to Baimor, our mission was one: to save, to serve, to protect.
साथियों ने हमारी बहनों बेटियों का सिंदूर उजाड़ा। ये नया भारत किसी की परमाणु धमकियों से डरता नहीं।
When the hour of reckoning comes, only the brave take to the skies. On the ground, steel awakens, missiles mounted, radars are scanning. Every detail measured, every motion exact. Ready for the what we were born to do. With silent resolve, with unflinching discipline. In briefing rooms, missions are shaped, intent sharpened. The air warriors rose to the challenge, every step carrying the hopes of the nation. Engines ignited, power unleashed. From the runway to the skies, India's resolve took flight, wings of fire cutting across the night. Targets locked, commands given. In a flash of light, precision became fire, and the enemy silenced.
ये नया भारत है।
The world now knows India's reach is absolute, its precision unmatched. From Alaska to Australia, from Pahalgam to Pathankot, from disaster zones to battlefields, the Indian Air Force has lived its creed. Infallible in its dominance, impervious in its defense, precise in its execution. We are more than warriors. We are the guardians of tomorrow. The Indian Air Force, touching the sky with glory.